Welcome back to another episode of our Martial Spirit Junior series. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to make your very own jo or wooden staff for home training. You'll need a broomstick or dowel with a diameter of approximately 20 to 24 millimeters, a hand saw or drop saw, some fine sandpaper of 240 plus grit, a chisel, this is optional, and some natural wood finished oil. First, we start by measuring the appropriate height for our jo. You want the jo height to be about armpit height. Once you've measured this, go ahead and cut your jo to the appropriate length. At the end of the cut, slow down to avoid splitting the timber. The next bit before sanding is optional. Sensei will now use a chisel to square his cut and bevel the edge. This protects the end grain from splitting. When chiseling, always remember to move the chisel away from your hands. Let's move on to sanding our jo. To prevent splinters, fine sand the surface of the jo. Look out for any imperfections on the surface. If you can't sand these down, place some cellophane tape over the top to protect hands when using the jo. Evenly sand and keep the pressure light when sanding. The final step is oiling our jo. This will ensure that the wood is protected and the surface is smooth to use. You can use any natural wood oil, like linseed oil or orange oil. Using a clean, lint-free cloth, work a small amount of oil into the surface of the jo. Wipe off any excess and allow the jo to dry before use. Now you have your very own Joe. We'll be using this and learning new exciting skills with our Joe in the next few weeks. See you soon! Us!